Hello everybody, welcome and thank you for your interest in our Sidem steering and suspension products. My name is Harold and I have more than 15 years of experience as a mechanic. Today I will show you how to detect wear on steering and suspension parts in a timely fashion and how to replace them. This avoids the car being rejected at the car inspection and the accompanying customer dissatisfaction. A car's steering and suspension parts should be checked at least once a year. How do you know if the stabilizer links need to be replaced? While driving, you will notice knocking noises or the feeling of reduced control over the steering wheel. At the start of the visual check, lift the car completely. First check the condition of the dust cover on the stabilizer link, and if the rubber material of the dust cover shows wear or cracks, the part needs to be replaced. Then proceed to check the stabilizer link. When you grab the stabilizer bar, try to move it at the level of the stabilizer links. This movement is to check whether or not there is any play on the part. In case of play, the suspension and steering of the car do not react accurately while driving, which can be risky if bumps or potholes are to be found on the road surface because it reduces the control over the car. In case of play, there will be little or no resistance at the beginning of the movement. Here you can see some additional examples of parts that need to be replaced. In the event of such findings, remember to replace the parts on time and on both sides of the car. This way you avoid the car becoming unsafe and not passing a car inspection. For more information, please visit the Sidem website www.sidem.eu. Thank you for watching and see you next time.